All right, lovely graphic designers. So today we are designing the 31st night church flyer, and then this is the main theme or the main caption. This is the main caption for the work. I actually generated it from ChatGPT, and this is the prompt. I'll make sure I put the prompt inside the description box. 31st night 3D theme design church flyer. So these are the effects: relief 3D extruded gold test, metallic polished gold texture, smooth bevel and emboss, strong highlights on edges for shiny and reflective look. So lighting background, deep pure black with subtle gradient. So these are the prompts. So I'll make sure I put it there for you to copy and then generate the same, or it can give you a similar design. So let's get started. So as you can see, these are my resources. So we go to file, new. So let's write the first night church flyer, and then we are going to use centimeters 10.45, and then the height is going to be 11.4. Everything here remains the same, and then let's create on the crate. So the first thing we do is to unlock the background, click on the adjustment layer, select solid color. So we are selecting black. The Photoshop version I'm using is 2026. Now let's bring the main design, enlarge the layer. So anytime you see this cross line, you enter on the keyboard, or you click on this correct sign at the top. Let me zoom in a little. So we are going to blend the edges. So if I click on the layer, select rasterize layer, we pick the eraser tool. Let's decrease this a little by clicking on the bracket key. So I'm blending the edges. Now we bring the logo of the church, put it somewhere here. Click on the correct sign here so that it can easily fix on, or it can allow you to continue to work. Going for the name of the church. So we are going to change the color to white. So let's bring it down. And then we go to the properties. We stretch it. So we continue increasing the spacing between the letters. Then you go up here, the three dots. We select canvas. Then we click on the alignment, the middle one, so that you can fix in the middle of the canvas for us. Now the next thing is to bring the pasta, decrease the size. Now we are going to go to filter, and then let's pick camera raw filter. So we click on effects, increase the texture to 50, or 50 is okay. Clarity to 50, and then let's come to detail, sharpen, increase it to 74. Let's go up to light, increase the exposure a little to 0.45. I think 0.050, 0.50 is okay, and then click OK. All right, that's fine. So let's bring this effect, bring it down here, and then bring it behind the man. So we click on it and drag it this way. Let's bring it down a little. Let me increase the size of the 31st and bring it down. And that's okay. So let's bring this image. I'll put the link inside the description box so that I can download the resources, and then rasterize it, blending mode, and then we select okay, let's select luminosity, bring the opacity down to 12 or 13 is okay. Then we pick the eraser tool, we clean the edges, and then we go for this image, bring it somewhere here, rasterize it, blending mode. So we are going to choose screen, increase the opacity. Sorry, decrease the opacity to 30. Bring the eraser tool and then erase the edges. Let me shift this one down here a little. Pick the eraser tool and clean the edges here. Alright, the next thing is to bring this one, put it somewhere here, decrease the size. So bring it here, rasterize it, and then we are going to bring the time. So let's bring the venue. So let's bring this icon for the venue. And then the name of the pastor. I think we are done. This is a very simple 31st night or crossover church flyer. So just use the prompt to generate the 3D effect. Yours can be crossover. Use the same technique. I'll make sure I put the prompt inside the description box. I'm Jason Appa and I'm out.